Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix the Squarespace app not working. So let's get started. So in solution 1 you have to make sure you have the latest version of the app. To do that, open up the App Store and now search up Squarespace. On the right hand side, if you see an update button, that means it isn't updated to the latest version. Just click on update and now check if it works. If the issue is still there, then you may have to go to solution 2, which is clearing the cache. To do that, open up the settings. Now scroll down and click on General and now click on iPhone Storage. From here, find the Squarespace app and click on it. Now all you have to do is to click on Offload app and the cache will be cleared. Now a new button will appear saying Reinstall app. Simply click on it to reinstall the app and now check if it works. If it still doesn't work, then you have to go to solution 3, which is you have to completely reinstall the app. To do that, on the bottom you'll see a delete app option. Click on it to delete the app. Now once the app is deleted, go to the App Store, search for Squarespace and now download the app once again. And now your problem should be solved. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.